Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you'll find a treasure trove of delicious and healthy dessert recipes. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's get cooking. We'll start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Next, take 2 cups of rolled oats, blend them into flour, and transfer to a mixing bowl. Heat 1 cup of milk, and pour it over the oats. Then mix well. And let it sit for a bit. Meanwhile, take 1/2 cup of prunes. Cover them with boiling water and set aside. While they soften, mash a ripe banana with a fork. Don't use unripe bananas. They're not sweet enough for baking. Add the banana puree to the oats and stir. Grate 1 medium carrot, and mix it in. Then peel and grate 2 apples. And add them to the batter as well. Drain the prunes and chop them into small pieces. Add them to the batter and stir. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. One-half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Now go back to the eggs, separate the yolks, and add them to the batter. Beat the egg whites with a mixer until stiff peaks form. Then gently fold them into the batter using upward motions. Be careful not to deflate the whites. The batter is ready. Grease a baking dish with butter, or use oil if you prefer. Pour in the batter and spread it evenly. Chop 1/2 cup of walnuts, or your favorite nuts. And sprinkle them on top. Add shredded coconut and drizzle with honey. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 45 to 50 minutes. While the cake is baking, leave a comment and tell me if you enjoy healthy desserts and what recipes you'd like to see on the channel. I love reading your messages. Now, let's make the glaze. Melt 8 ounces of sugar-free white chocolate with 4 fluid ounces of heavy cream, stirring constantly until smooth. Let it cool slightly. Once the cake is baked, cut it into small pieces. Cover each piece with the glaze. Then decorate with almond flakes and dried strawberry slices. These little cakes turned out absolutely amazing. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And share this video with friends who love healthy treats too. Let's pour some tea and enjoy our dessert. Bon appétit, and see you next time.